As we approach the end of the year, it's the perfect time to reflect, reset, and reimagine our creative journeys. Whether you are just starting or you've been exploring Impressionist photography for years, setting goals can ignite your passion and give you something to strive for in the new year. So today I am sharing 5 inspiring goals to help you take your Impressionist photography to new heights in 2025. Let's dive in. Impressionist photography is all about embracing creativity and pushing boundaries. It's a journey of discovery and personal expression. In 2025, challenge yourself to focus on mastering one technique you've always been curious about. It could be achieving the perfect soft focus for a gentle, ethereal look, crafting mesmerizing intentional camera movement images that dance with energy, or delving into the art of multiple exposures to weave stunning narratives within a single frame. Pick a technique that excites you and immerse yourself in it. Study, practice, and experiment. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each one is a stepping stone to a breakthrough. Give yourself the time and freedom to explore this new dimension of your art. And you will unlock technical skills and a deeper connection to your creative vision. Why not channel your creative energy into a theme photo series? Focusing on a single theme allows you to dive deeper into your subject and uncover its hidden stories. It could be documenting the subtle shifts of the seasons, watching how light, color, and texture evolve over time. Perhaps you will explore the mesmerizing world of reflection in water, capturing how they distort and transform reality into something abstract and poetic. Or maybe you will choose to celebrate the intricate textures of a specific flowers, or the rugged details of a landscape, allowing your lens to highlight what others might overlook. A theme series isn't just about taking photos, it's about telling a visual story. One that flows cohesively from image to image, evoking emotion and inviting viewers into your artistic vision. Start by selecting a subject that excites and inspires you. Spend time with it, observe its nuances, and experiment with techniques that reveal its essence. As your series takes shape, you will find yourself growing as an artist and creating a body of work that's uniquely yours. Travel has a remarkable way of sparking creativity and breathing new life into your photography. It doesn't need to be a grand, faraway journey. Sometimes the most inspiring scenes are right around the corner. Consider exploring a nearby park where light filters beautifully through the trees. A picturesque coastal town with its ever-changing seascapes, or a vibrant garden bursting with textures and colors. The key is to step outside your everyday surroundings. New environments can shift your perspective and help you notice the extraordinary in the ordinary. Take your time to observe, let yourself get lost in the moment, and experiment with your camera to capture the story of the place. Planning a photo adventure, it's not just about the images you will create, it's about the experience itself. Pack your gear, embrace the journey, and keep your mind open to the unexpected. Inspiration is waiting for you. While photography often feels like a deeply personal and solitary pursuit, there is something magical about collaborating with others. Connecting with fellow photographers can open your eyes to new perspectives, inspire fresh ideas, and push the boundaries of your creativity. Why not join a local photography group to share your passion and learn from others? Attend a workshop, whether in person or online, where you can immerse yourself in new techniques and connect with the like-minded creatives. If in-person isn't an option, online communities of Impressionist photographers are thriving and welcoming. Share your work, ask for feedback, and discuss the art you all love. Collaboration can take many forms. You might organize a photo walk with friends, work on a group project, or pair up with another artist to explore complementary mediums like painting or writing. Sharing your processes and ideas can ignite inspiration in ways you never expected. When you connect with a community, you are not just growing as a photographer, you are contributing to a shared journey of artistic exploration and discovery. Together, you will create a space where creativity thrives. Consistency is one of the most powerful ways to grow as a photographer. This year, consider developing a daily or weekly photography routine to keep your creative momentum alive. Set aside dedicated time to pick up your camera, even if it's just for 15 minutes a day or a couple of hours on the weekend. You don't need to travel far. Explore your immediate surroundings. Your garden, a nearby park, or even your home can be full of inspiration if you look closely. Pay attention how light changes throughout the day. Capture small, fleeting moments, or revisit the same subject regularly to see how it transforms over time. Creating a routine isn't just about taking more photos, it's about building a deeper relationship with your craft. As you make photography a regular part of your life, you will develop your skills, sharpen your eye for detail, and discover new ways to express your vision. Plus, you will create a rich archive of work that reflects your journey throughout the year. These goals are not about achieving perfection. They are about celebrating progress and nurturing your passion. 2025 is an opportunity to let your curiosity lead the way, to embrace the beauty of experimentation, and to find joy in the process. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey and how each image you create tells a story, reflects your growth, and captures a piece of your unique vision. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which of these goals resonate with you the most. Are you excited to plan a photo adventure? Or maybe you are ready to try something completely new? Better yet, share your own creative goals for 2025. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep capturing the magic of light and color. See you next time.